Loki got cooked today. I got stopped out by a freaking tick, dog. But let's get through our trade idea today, why I was long biased, even though I got stopped out. This is the daily time frame, as you can see. This was yesterday's daily candle. We broke out of yearly first standard deviation high and closed all the way down because of FMC. So technically, according to daily auction, we should be bearish until weekly VWAP. But the reason I was bullish today is on 7-hour time frame. If I go on 7-hour time frame, right, that's the quarterly first standard deviation low, that's the VWAP, and quarterly first standard deviation high. When FOMC dropped like that, I want you to pay attention to where we dropped. Okay, let me zoom out. That is the previous quarter VWAP. As you can see, we respected previous quarter VWAP to the tick right here. And that previous quarter VWAP has been a support once, technically twice, and now 3 times. So when we supported that previous quarter VWAP and Asia and London are trading away from it, my mind immediately goes, okay, we want to go test fair value, which will be this first standard deviation low. And then if you're going to be bearish, we can be bearish from there. That's why bullish buy. From there, I come down to 30-minute time frame, as you can see. So what can we see in 30-minute time frame? That was previous balance range. Okay, this was where previous fair value was. So that's why I marked here previous fair value right there. FOMC made us imbalance. We went down to this previous quarterly VWAP, and then from there we are bouncing back up. At market open, we were somewhere right here. That level is, as you can see, weekly first standard deviation low. So if we are truly bearish like that, and we found support here and we are retracing back, if this is a retracement, we are either going to be bearish from this level, or going to be bearish from VWAP, or going to be bearish from first standard deviation high, weekly first standard deviation high. So my idea was, if we reject this level, which would be 7399, basically 7400, I will be bearish. If we don't reject that level and we accept higher, I'll be bullish. Pretty simple stuff. So this is what happens at market open. I'm on 3-minute time frame, right? We open right here, we come down, test this session first standard deviation high, and we hold it. That level is higher compared to weekly first standard deviation low. And on order flow, this is where we open, right? And as you can see, my entry happens right here. We have this buy imbalance. This green thing is the buy imbalance. We have negative 314 delta leading up to it. From there, actually no, that's when my entry happened. From there, look at the positive delta that follows. Positive 536 right there. And then immediately we have negative 563. Again, we have positive 288 delta. We feel the buy imbalance. We have a delta flip. We have all this seller strap. As you can see on delta profile to all the seller strap. And then I just took it, but it stopped me out. But yeah, long bias because of that. And if I had not been stopped out, this would have been the trade to weekly VWAP, and we are rejecting there from now.